Did you know that when you truly love someone from another dimension, your throat starts making a special sound while you sleep? Scientists have found something amazing. When people dream about lovers from parallel worlds, their vocal cords vibrate at exactly 528 hertz. This is called the love frequency. Sound doctors have been watching patients with special throat sensors. Every time someone dreams about their interdimensional partner, their voice box tunes to this exact pitch. It's like their body knows how to connect across realities. This 528 hertz tone is known as the miracle frequency in healing. It creates invisible bridges that let your mind slip between different worlds during deep sleep. Here's the crazy part. Couples with interdimensional connections wake up with sore throats. Their vocal cords vibrate all night long trying to reach their dream lover. Ever catch yourself humming the same tune when thinking about someone special from your dreams? Your throat is trying to recreate that interdimensional love frequency. Your body remembers the exact sound needed to connect with love beyond our world.